I know that you'll honor that promise.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Bensouda. And now I'm joined by Mheshimiwa Samson Cherargei from Nandi County, Senator Nandi County, and President William Ruto has said that now Kenya can sustain itself in matters to do with the sugar. That now we are looking forward to even exporting.
I think what he said, and we have statistics, especially I come from farming community in Nandi. And we did get subsidized fertilizer. That's why there is high yields of maize, and I'm happy the government has declared 3,590 kilos per bag of maize. There is the issue of beans, cereals, and virtually sugar. And I'm happy I was one of the biggest proponents of Sugar Act that the president signed into the law, and this will stop importation of sugar, which has affected my region, more so Nandi and Western Kenya. But I'm excited that we now have sustainable, and the issue I expected the president to issue memorandum of banning imports of not only sugar but even maize and others going into the future. On the issue of affordable housing, that is brilliant. For us in Nandi, we are doing 200. I think across the country is 160,000, more than 100 to 160,000 across the country. On the issue of Adani, I'm happy and excited that I didn't condemn the issue of Adani from the word go, especially on engagement in roads and transport. The issue of Adani deals with Ketraco and other agencies of energy. And you remember today in Bunge Towers, we did tell the CSOP and I to stop engagement with Adani. So I think Adani issue was never transparent. It was smelling and working like corruption. As they say, if it works, quacks like a duck, then it is a duck. And I'm happy the president is fighting corruption head on. What I didn't listen on the president is the fight against corruption, especially in counties, because most of the counties we are still struggling with the issue of corruption and financial impropriety. But the president has started well by cancelling the engagement of Adani Group. Even today in the morning, the Justice Department of US has indicted Adani for massive fraud and bribery. And even you remember the Swiss have also frozen more than $310 million that is linked to Adani Group. So I think this is significant. Let us engage with, when we are doing with engagement with public-private partnership, let it be open and transparent. But I'm happy the president has confirmed to the country that we have a stable economy and a stable political stability in the country.
Thank you, Cherargei, for giving us highlight. Now I have